What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Good to have you again. What's up? How is your day moving? Tell me, how did you spend your day today? It's a trading assembly, so let us get into the charts right away. I am trading binary options, and currently we are on the silver OTC chart, so let us get into it already. I just wanna go and get it. I don't have no patience. Okay, right now you can see the market is trending upwards, but it's like we are getting into a pullback. So let us watch and see what we have. Pro trader, good to see ya. Good to see you all. Mark your attendance where you're watching from. Yeah, while you join, make sure to get a notebook, because I'm gonna be sharing some trading tips. You know how we do it every night. Tell me, how did you spend your day today? How is your day moving for you? Beautiful. Guys, first entry locked in a plus, so this is a sign that it's gonna be a beautiful night. It's already a beautiful day moving for me. Funny, good to have you. Self-grade, self-paid, self-made. We are already eating. We're already eating from the market. So it's gonna be a beautiful night. Good to have you all. Good to have you all, traders. This is a trading assembly where we catch up as traders, and also I be sharing my trading tips, because why not? Daniel, good to see ya. So buyers are still having market control. Let us add more buys. Damn. Seems like we got caught up with a pullback. Damn. Our entry has been invalidated, but we are still anticipating a beautiful night. So let's see if you can get more entries. It came alive, I'm surprised in a day. Global, good to see you. Good to have you. Tell me, guys, how is your day moving for you? Guys, we are trying to get another pullback now. Yeah, we can see the market is still bullish, and we can only stop anticipating the market being bullish when a previous low has been taken out. But if it's not, my mind is still locked in on a bullish market. Beats, good to have you guys. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Yeah, the night is still fresh, and buyers are still leading, are still in control. Who thought that you could handle me? Showed you my secrets, you showed out to me. You did so well. And guys, it's a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. I am trading binary options. Yeah, you're just in the right place. Just ask any trading question you have on mind. All right, you're watching me from Canada. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Good to have you. Let us capitalize. JR, my trading, we are so far moving well. I mean, in trading, as long as you can really have a certain edge against the market, yeah, it's always not so hard to move. Theo, good to see ya. Good to have you. Okay, Divine, present. Good to have you from Ghana. Tell me, guys, how did you spend your day? Tell me, guys, how did you spend your day? It's a fresh week to start with, so I believe you are really making those aggressive moves in the market because every trader should be willing to take on the risk. So tell me, did you really execute? Are you looking at your charts? Weaker. I think you understand it right now. All reason understanding it right now. Your hands right now. Bang for you. Let's move, guys. The market is bullish, so we are still capitalizing on the buys. But if you get a pullback entry, you can also capitalize on it because why not? Though I really don't advise beginners to be taking pullback entries. They are risky, they are more risky. But if you really get an opportunity, guys, don't hesitate because the more you hesitate, you're missing out. You're missing out. Trading is risky and you're supposed to take the risk. That should always be on your mind. Even though that she got selfish ways, Nyamweja, because you're always helping me. Azra, good to see ya. Good to have you all. Good to have you all, guys. And you're free to ask any trading question that you want to know about trading. You can add all this in your hand right now. Bang for you. Guys, we are moving. The night is already moving smoothly. Someone comment locked in. I need you guys locked in because I don't want to be explaining entries and you're not locked in. I have to be explaining moves and you're ready, catching on. Tawhid, good to have you. Do you do top-down analysis? Okay, let's fast move. Let us fast move. I'm gonna get to you, Kenny. Kenny. Oh my God. You wanna go out and dance? Someone to talk for hours, watch the backward city in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you you mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day, you don't got a reason. Someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it better, somebody who can open up those gates. Open up those gates to your heart. Only if you. Oh my God! This was supposed to be an anticipated pullback, but it seems like sellers are shifting structure because you can see by now the current low is taken out, and whenever you are in an uptrend, higher lows are maintained. So if it gets taken out, the most recent one, you can start anticipating a bearish market. So let us watch and see if sellers are really going to have this market shifted or not. Let's see if sellers are really switching up the market. So guys, that is what I have on my mind right now. Based on market structure, I'm anticipating more sellers. But let's see. Okay, let us first catch on this reversal move. Guys, the strategy I'm using to trade is price day. It is pure price action. Okay, so let's move. Guys, I'm in such a good mood. Yeah. And I'm glad we are really moving. The pair we are on is moving. So let us get more entries. Tell me, guys, how are you feeling tonight? How are you feeling right now? So guys, you can see right now it's like we're having low momentum, and I'm anticipating the market, buyers and sellers, we haven't got any decision yet. Yeah, but given the fact that sellers are trying to switch the structure, so let us anticipate with that motion. But it's like buyers are kicking in. That's why you're having this low momentum right now. Low market indecision. Everything more than I'll be spending, that's what I'll be on. Come and tell me what you want. Don't be running from me. Get whatever from me. I'm a real shame. She keep her nails done and the wig fixed. She will be. All right, we are moving. I told Brody on the party car, but it's still red. I don't think nobody around still, but I still check. I got 100 million. I can chill, yeah. Guys, you're free to ask any trading question. I'm trading binary options. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. And it's always nice to have you, so mark your attendance. The anchor I'm using is Kawosna channel, and I'm using it with its default settings. Okay. Running from you guys, you can see we are really capitalizing on sellers moving the market, and all our sales are locking in plus. And a week fix. So let's keep adding them. Guys, whenever I'm trading with the indicator, of course, I do not only execute my entries based on the indicator, I back it up with my price action knowledge, but with the indicator, I just look out for breakouts either to the downside or to the top side. If you get a breakout to the downside, you can anticipate sellers in the market, but with my pure price action knowledge, I can also get a more confirmation with maybe market switching structure or candlestick pattern that is showing confirmation of sellers really in the market. And the opposite is true for a breakout to the upside. Jerome, good to see ya. Good to have you all. Good to have you all, guys. Maybe you should be up in my bed. God damn. Oh my gosh. We take an L there. Baby, you should be up in my bed. Oh my. Guys, please lock in, lock in, lock in. Let me see you comment locked in, because if someone can ask, can you explain the reason why you're taking that trade? When I feel like I'm really sharing those reasons, it seems like you guys are not locked in. So please lock in so that when I explain a move, you can easily catch on. My expiration time is 15 seconds. My candles are 5 seconds. I am trading binary options and we are on silver OTC chart. Yeah, so far that's how we're moving. That's how we're moving, and my strategy is price action. Damn, oh my god. Crazy. Oh my god. Locked in like always. Yeah, that's how we be moving here every night. That's how we be moving. What I'm saying. All right, really get some recovery moves here. 3 pluses in a row. Couldn't have done better. We ain't got forever and ever. Let me be the one, baby, you deserve better. We ain't got forever. Let me be the one, baby, I'ma keep my promise, never treat you like a groupie. Better let me baby bougie. Okay guys, let us see if we can get more sales. Guys, whenever I am trading, what I always have in my mind, it is really I look at the markets and I always make sure I look at the current market structure. Dang. Yeah, I make sure I'm looking at the current market structure. It helps me to also make entry decisions. Man. When I place a trade, it starts to go in the opposite direction. Why? I mean, that means that you really executed based on a wrong signal, I could say. Yeah, maybe you didn't wait. But also, guys, you have to know one thing. Maybe you execute them based on candle openings. Yeah, it's always not nice to execute on candle openings because, guys, sometimes a candle could be opening when it is green and you think the market is going to be actually buying, but a candle can open when it is buying but close in sales. So you really have to have a strong reason why you're really executing a trade by not just mere following candle openings. So that's why I think whenever you execute, you see your trades going in the opposite direction. And you should also practice more. Sometimes actually it can be when you're trying to chase the market. I mean, you see buying candles are running upwards and you execute buys, but the moment you place the buys, the market starts switches and starts going downwards. So sometimes also chasing the market, that's why it's not good, guys. You should really have a valid reason past you chasing the market while you're executing trades. My entries are all based on price action, and with price action I start with first understanding the market trend or the market direction. That is understanding, am I dealing with an uptrend, am I dealing with a downtrend, understanding the market structure, overall market structure, and also understanding the most recent market structure. That is going to help you execute also, because you're going to be seeing the turning points of the market. Am I seeing is the market in a continuation to take a continuation trade? Is the market in a pullback for me to take a pullback entry? So that is going to be seen with market structure. And candlestick patterns are the best way you can really confirm entries, more refined entries, because if you see a candlestick pattern in a zone that suggests selling, and you see a bearish candlestick pattern there, that is like double confirmation. Basically, that's what you should always do. Don't just chase the market. Have a psychological reason towards it. Yeah, so if you got it, let me see your comment. Got it. Let me hope you have got it, my friend. Come talk about it with me. Rod, good to have you. Gonna be free. And guys, Trading Assembly, ask any trading question you want to know. You risk your life. You wanna shine, you gotta get more eyes. Am I your lover or I'm just your vibe? A little busy, but I'm just your type. The lips and the curves with the whips and the furs and the diamonds. All right. I can see you guys were locked in. Yeah, I'm glad you got that. So let's move. What did you use to learn candlestick patterns? Honestly, I think, guys, everything that you learn about candlestick patterns, I believe it is right with all the information. And also on this channel, I have videos about candlestick patterns you can watch, and even more are going to be dropping. But guys, everything you learn about trading, don't just leave it in your mind. You have to go on the charts and look for it. Like I always said, you trading is a skill that you just build. So if you don't really give yourself time to practice whatever you learn, everything is just going to remain in your notebook or your brain or what. You have to come on the charts and look for those things. There's a link in the description for the broker that I'm using, which is Pocket Options. For all those that are asking, everything you know, I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment. I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to be. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid. Michael, I have videos on this channel explaining my strategy, and I'm dropping more. And this is a Trading Assembly. We are always here every night, every night, 8 p.m. UK time. You can always join and ask anything about trading. We have a lot to live. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still have a lot to give. While we're young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, damn. Dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, high school kid. Can I practice your strategy in a demo? Yeah, since you're talking about practicing, yes, you can. But as a trader, from my own experience, I would advise you guys don't spend a lot of time on demo. You have to also try out real accounts. That's a fact, because most of what affects us as traders, it's actually not the strategy, it is psychology, and you can only grow your psychology and discipline when you have tried out a real account. That is only from my own experience, guys. Yeah, it's not financial investment advice. I'm just sharing my own experience when it comes to trading with the demo accounts. Young, dumb, broke high school kids. Young, dumb, broke high school kids. My candles, guys, are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. I am trading binary options. Some girls feel best in the tiny dresses. Some girls nothing but sweatpants, looking like a princess. Some girls kiss new lips every single. Yes, price action can be applied on all markets, in all markets, and on all time frames. You wanna change the body that you came in. It's when you feel like a queen. Most girls are smart and strong and beautiful. Most girls work hard, go far, we are unstoppable. Most girls that fight to make every day. Those who are the same. I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like most girls. I am using price action, and guys, if you're learning something, don't forget to like the stream. Clearly that physique right private. Wear jeans so tight cause it feels so right in. Every day search to keep the basement and sleeping late cause it just so great. Okay. Guys, someone was asking about time frames. If you're using different time frames, be sure to know that whenever you're really looking at a higher time frame, for my case it's 5 minutes. I'm just looking at to understand the overall market direction, so that when you get on your execution time frame, you can easily understand market structure and you can easily back it up with that knowledge from higher time frame. I am using price action, and guys, currently I feel the market is switching back to bullish. Just looking at current market structure. You get it? No two are the same. I wanna be like most girls. I wanna be like most girls. Until the current law is taken out, we are still anticipating structure being bullish. Guys, whenever you're really trading, Make sure you're really locked in on your charts. Yeah, so that you're really understanding market structure. Because honestly, if you're executing entries but you're not fully locked into have a mindset to see what is happening, what could go on afterwards, then it's really going to affect you whenever you're trading. So whenever you're really onto that market, do your level best to just be looking at the charts and don't just look at the candles. Have something that you're always looking out for. All right, other buys locked in. Beautiful. Nature's good to see ya. Sahin, good to have ya. Good to have you all, guys. No Kim K, buddy back, yeah. But when you get it fast, money slow down, don't crash. With all the drive in the world, swear you still need gas. Look, think about it. Close your eyes, dream about it. Tell your team about it. Go make $1 million schemes about it. Success is on the way, I feel it in the distance. Used to look up at the stars and be like, ain't too much that's different. I be shining, they be shining. Get you one shot, don't you miss it. What you know about waking up every day like you on a mission. And I hope you learn to make it on your own. And if you love yourself, just know you'll never be alone. I hope you get it through. I hope it's the realest thing that you ever know. Hope you get the pretty girls, pretty and everything. $1 million cruise, have $1 million dreams. And when you get it all, just remember one thing. Remember one thing. One man could change the world. One man could change the world. My grandma told me if you write your name in stone, you'll never get the White House. I grinded out that black hole in before the at the White House, standing next to Jim Carrey. We traded stories and laughed. I said, you're not the only one I know got rich wearing masks. Where I'm from, I swear they broke. They need way more than the cash. We need more than what you have, and then we need more than that. But how I'm supposed to say I'm tired if that girl from West Virginia came up in conditions that I couldn't survive? When the war came back alive. How to check the charts? Whenever if you're asking in a perspective what to look out for on charts, guys, it is your trading knowledge. What you have learned in trading is supposed to look it out for on charts. Basically, that's that. If you learned about candlestick patterns, open your chart, look for candlestick patterns, and also look for the backing. What backs up that candlestick pattern to be valid? If it's a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, you have to understand how it looks like on the charts and what makes it valid on the charts. It being in a key area, that's why you can only apply it to your advantage. That's how you really check out charts. Let's add more sales because why not?
Thank you for calling. Been thinking about you. That's all good. I love you, Grandma. Bye.
You're welcome, my dear, my dear. One for me and one for my boo. Why so? You can see the market was already falling. That's why I took those sales. And I'm taking these buys because I'm anticipating a pullback. Yeah, I was anticipating a pullback because we had got a rejection candle there, followed by a bullish candle. Those sellers have really invalidated that. So let us look for another entry. Zion, good to see ya. Do to me. All right, sales locked in. I can make it hurricane on it.
Honey banks make it rain on it. Tie it up, put a chain on it. Make it tattoo my name on it. Oh,
Make you burn like a baby, oh.
let's go, bro, and make a video. Yeah. Make you cry like a
Good to have you, Bhavesh.
video.
Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. And all viewers, comment where you're watching from. All viewers, let me see you comment where you're watching me from. Speak to me. Speaks to me. Okay, I'm seeing someone from London, India. Guys, let me comment where you're watching me from. Okay, I'm seeing someone from Nigeria. Seeing someone from USA. Good to have you all. Good to have you all. Okay, viewers, I want to know where you're watching me from, and you're also free to ask any trading question. My strategy is simple. It's price action. Okay, I see someone from Chicago, Indonesia, Nigeria. Okay, guys, we are really moving. I can see we are from all over the world. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, there's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join our trading community. No first got heavy. And guys, tell me, how are you finding trading? Yeah, let us have that talk. Let us have that talk about trading. If you are to rate trading, how are you finding trading in your life? Is it exciting? How do you feel when you're going to trade? You be excited to look at the charts? Does it feel like it's some task that is really so hard for you? Tell me how you feel about trading as we are adding more cells here. My friends and I, we've cracked the code. Guys, someone is asking how to join my trading channel. My community on Telegram. There is a link in the description down there. You can use that and you can join. Okay, I'm seeing someone lost 300. Oh my, sorry about that. Let me hope you didn't end up blowing your account, did you? Oh, you guys are crazy. Now you've started. But anyway, it's always nice to share your experience. Michael is saying trading is exciting in demo account and it's really terrifying on real accounts. No lie, no lie. There's a certain stage you be in as a trader, and that is the honest truth about it. I've been at that stage where trading is really, I just do it because I have to do it that time, because actually guys, me myself, I really didn't get time to really trade demo accounts, to be honest. Yeah, I cannot tell you that I really have ever spent like a week on a demo account. No, I've not. So I don't know the excitement on demo accounts. Maybe I would really honestly open a demo and just even forget about execute a trade and forget about them. So I really didn't get time to experience demo accounts so much. But real accounts, It was really crazy in the beginning. I know how it feels like, especially if you're just starting out and you're not getting things. It's always crazy. But lock in, guys, the key is to lock in. When you lock in, by force results will come. Just lock in and be consistent. Tell me, guys, how are you feeling about trading? I need to hear your experience. Is it exciting? Do you be looking forward to a trading day? Or you just be irritated by a thought of being on a real account?
When the problem goes,
Life comes with another one.
but I'm a god, I'm a stronger man. I'm a different breed, my kind no be number one. I'm not trying to be the number one.
So many legends say I'm trying to be another one.
But sometimes it dey
Okay,
be
Rick
like say
is
I want
asking,
my
how do you
own.
maintain your
All the pressure
emotions
and wahala. It dey be like say I don't
after a
die.
big loss?
Sometimes it dey be like say I want my own. All the pressure and the wahala.
Okay, currently right now I really don't take any, I don't think now I really take those crazy losses that would really terrify me. That's a fact. But if I'm to share from when a time I was still a beginner or was just still getting this trading thing into my line, I would really feel bad. I would feel extremely bad. That's a fact. And actually, guys, like I told you, there are days when I would even cry. It's normal for a trader, and I know we have all been there, where you cried over a trade, where you cried over you blowing your account. I don't know if you've been there, but I've ever blown my account and I really cried terribly. It's always part of the journey. The key is, do you just give up? You don't. You come back strong.
I just wanna be alone.
You have to come back strong.
No message on my phone. Nothing can do me, you should know. I just feel like I should do things on my own.
In trading, emotions the key. That's a fact, guys. That's a fact. If you find ways of controlling your emotions, you're one step ahead over any trader, even if they have a better strategy than you. Because it's always crazy. Real accounts don't play, and the market doesn't care about your feelings. For it still move. Whether they have taken you out or not, the market will still move. That's the honest truth about trading. So dealing with your emotions is so important when it comes to trading. Oh my, damn. There's some crazy move against us. Guys, me, the best way I deal with my emotions in trading, I start with controlling my environment and people around me. To be honest, I do not. This is a strong point. I do not. I try to avoid situations that are going to get me emotionally attached. That is how I try to avoid fights. I try to avoid conflicts with people, because sometimes when you get too emotional, when you come to the market, just a single loss that wouldn't actually really frustrate you, you're going to take it and you're going to be overwhelmed by that. But it's going to be coming from you already had a bad day, then you add on just a single loss from the market. You could get emotional and you just start revenge trading. So I try to control my environment and people around me by staying away from fights and all that. And it's always nice to also have a trading community as a trader, because if you get to share your experiences and your troubles as a trader, you're going to talk to people who have the same mindset as you, and they're really going to encourage you. They may even share with you tips on how to overcome certain things in trading. That's how we move. That's how we move, actually, guys, as traders. It's not always nice to be locked in alone. Don't lock yourself alone. Have a community. You can also always join us here and you share your experience. Yeah, basically, that's how I deal with my emotions, guys.
struggle, sitting in trenches. When she had a nightmare, they just left a mission. I done went and paid my dues, dropped out of school down with. I had a girl with some red hair, made nigga feel like Jasper. Got on the phone with a boss, though, know the young nigga gon' kill her. I wanted to give me a meal, take my young niggas.
Guys, the market is really dropping hard. So let's keep on adding ourselves. And when you see a move, please capitalize on it because the risk has to be taken. Yeah, trading is all about taking the risk. Shouldn't forget that. If you get a move, capitalize. Capitalize on it. No risk, no Ferrari. And I want to talk about.
Feel like they don't feel me now.
They don't feel me now.
They stuff that they see me now. I'm steps away, I can't stop now. I can't. No, I won't let you waste my time.
Uzo, thank you, Uzo. You're saying I look nice. Thank you. Kebas are really coming in strong. Let's see if they are really going to make a difference. Rick, I've seen you. To be honest, getting profits from the market is really actually the feeling you get when, now I'm talking about the experience when they are really consistent. I'm not talking about the days when it is one off or when you really were risking so hard, then it worked out for you. I'm talking about consistent days, consistently. That feeling is like, yeah, now I'm making it. It is always good. It's always good. And what comes to your mind is finally all of this is working out. I mean, it's paying off now. That is the feeling you always get in your mind. You just be there seated randomly and you actually thank God that it's finally working out, because there are moments, we all know, we've been there as traders, where there are moments you have had a serious losing streak and it's always crazy. So you will thank God for those moments that you didn't give up. That is basically the feeling when you get when you start consistently seeing profits. Can you explain candlestick patterns? Guys, I use bullish engulfing candlestick patterns, bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Both they can show you reversal moves and continuation moves. I look at pin bars, bearish and bullish pin bars. They can show you reversal moves in the market. But to apply, guys, candlestick, damn, we take an L here, crazy. Literally invalidated by a low momentum candle. So let's see if we can get another move. I'm just getting satisfied through the weekend. Guys, with candlestick patterns, you always make sure you have to find them in key areas. And key areas can be the highs and lows in the market. Key areas really depend on your trading strategy. Every strategy has the way it defines key areas. With price action, it is highs and lows. Yeah. I just keep him satisfied through the weekend. Oh my God. Ah.
The way we move, skin on skin, no separation, no composition, nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going zero to a high, nah, nah. Right, wishing the wheels would fall off. Time is ticking you too long. Right before I decide to go. I like you hurt me. All this I made up if you disturb me. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stone. I like you hurt me. All this I made up if you disturb me. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stone. Pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So we can't get destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Pushing on my buttons and no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me what we can't get destination.
Gas me up, give me motivation now. Give me life.
I'll change your heart. Put me aside. I say for it. On the high. When we loaded. Hold me.
Hold me. Pull up and hurt me. Let's see Baz pushing the market, guys. Let us see Baz pushing the market to the moon. Tech Zone, good to have you. Pushing my buttons with no hesitation. Give me motivation. Give me motivation, yeah. Give me life. I'll change your surface. No. Tibur, good to see ya. I do not get what you're trying to mean. You can ask again. I'm not getting what you're trying to mean, dear. Hey there. Guys, the queue for the donation is already up. Who is ready for donations? All right. Let's keep adding these cells because why not? Today you rocked the market. No lie. Today silver has really moved smoothly. It's been moving well. Go for 50K. We have to do the nations, guys. We have to do the nations. But would have moved to any. Would be moving to any. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your trading day today? How are you spending your trading day? I've not got to tell me that. Today has been a solid trading day, fresh day, new week. Did you hit your trading goals? Yeah, most of you told me you set trading goals for a daily trading goals. So did you hit your daily trading goals? I'm using the indicator with its default settings. Damn. One buy is invalidated, so let's see if sellers are really coming into the market. Okay. I was so high on my mind, I thought I wouldn't see tomorrow. Girl,
Y'all gon' make me
lose my mind. Fucking two games at one time.
couldn't make me choose to get you painted all my life. One's half Spanish and one's half white. Ooh, and my tattoo is on her.
Guys, let us secure our profits for tonight. Let us secure. And we get into the nation.
All I can think about is your booties. Y'all riding me like Suzuki's. I say you'll never do this, but tonight I'm doing it to me. And I said, oh, my hands all on her body. Try and control it, can't control it when she's off that. When she's off that body, when she's rolling that body, when she's talking that soft, get hard to get up on me.
Guys,
I can put 10 on the floor if you like it. If I keep fucking me more, then I might be. I'll make it to smile.
who is ready for the donation? Let me see you type. Let me see you type ready if you're ready for it. If you're ready for donation, let me type you're ready. Guys, whenever you're trading, like I always told you, if you're starting your trading session, you have to set a serene environment for you. And with me, music really does it for me. I don't get distracted because it's playing in the background. So it is me and the chats with the music. That's it. So let's move. Okay. Already moving well. This is some beautiful bullish move. Market is really going to the moon. Yeah, like guys, I always tell you, even when I'm trading, guys, I'd make sure I'm not around, guys. I don't like any distractions. I cannot really be there having visitors around and I'm really on the chats. I feel like I would be distracted. I wouldn't want to trade like that. There is no contender. Second attempt, guys. Yeah, and buyers are really showing us they are going to the moon. Someone comment to the moon because that's where the market is heading for real. And guys, like I tell you, there is nothing like an overbought market or oversold. If the market is really trending, you just look for ways you can hop on that trend and you also cruise. Okay, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our first participants for tonight. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant because why not? When I close my eyes and I think of the memory, me and you used to love me. You used to love me. And baby, I will ride for you. Yeah, let me see you type more congratulations, guys, to our participants. I still remember back in December was the hottest winter. That's why I surrender. There is no contender. All right. If you send me a message, I'll get to you. Only thing I used to do, I still remember back in December. When I grow up, I want to be like you. For real? And she already grown up. Anyways, the key is to be consistent. The key is to really be consistent, guys. If you could really master consistency and showing up every day, because honestly, that's what really changed the game for me. That's what really changed the trading game for me. All right. No problem. How does it feel? Consistency actually is the problem, guys. Because if you really show up in the markets every day, regardless whether you've really taken a loss or not, it's going to reach a point when you really don't chase the market, when you're going to just wait for your entries. It's going to reach a point when you don't have fear of missing out. All those things, consistency can wash them out in your trading, and it's going to build for you a certain level of discipline. To be honest, that's what really changed the game for me. That's why I'm always telling you guys, show up, be consistent. Because if you're not, every time you're going to be fearing the market. But if you're really showing up every day, those emotions are really going to reduce. That's a fact. Guys, we are in with our final attempt. Let's see how it goes. All right, we are moving. Beautiful, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to Hang. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant. Rod, you can write to me via Telegram. I'm going to guide you. I'm going to guide you. Papa Shredder, good to have you. And guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. Come on, heartbeat, run away. Baby. Let us see what bears have for us. Okay, we're having a pullback. Let's try to capitalize on it. You guys are crazy. Oh my god. Okay, let us first type congratulations to our participants. Let us type congratulations to our participants. It is to say I keep a check. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant, because why not? Okay, I'm seeing someone saying, I'm just thinking of how I can sleep after blowing my account. By the way, traders, like honestly, if you're really trading a real account, also focus on really managing your risk. Focus on really managing your risk. Do yourself a favor and manage your risk, because without capital you cannot trade. That's a fact. So whenever you're really in the market, don't be so greedy. Don't chase the market. Remember, if you have no capital, you cannot trade. And believe me, it is so depressing when you don't have capital. That's a fact. Everything I'm sharing, guys, is from my own experience because I've been there. So the thing is, try your level best to manage your risk as a trader. Do that. Do that. Don't play about that. So actually, after blowing your account, did you find a mistake? Do you know the reason why you ended up blowing? Because if you know it, next time you'll not make that. You try your level best to avoid that so that you don't get yourself in that situation again. And sorry about that.
I think you'll never be too much. You'll be left in the dust. It's a stuck fire. You're a sunflower. You're a sunflower.
Let me use that chance too. Oh my god, it feels good. Hey.
First things first, I'm a realist. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. And I'm still in the murder business. I can hold you down. Like I'm giving lessons to 50. Right. You want a bad bitch like this. Drop it low and pick it up just like this. Yeah. Cup of Ace, cup of Goose, cup of Chris. I heal something worth a heavy ticket on my wrist. Taking all the liquor straight. Never chase me. Never first top. Like an idiot then. You see where the bass is. Champagne spilling, you should taste that.
I already know I'm in the fast lane from the to here.
You say, baby, I do this. I thought that you knew this. You stand on way this and honest. The truth is, my flow retarded. They speak deep retarded. Swag up, I'm super. I keep shipping out the company. Get my money on time. If I got money, decline. That's why I've been there. There's so much to get that line. I'm required to get my money on time. If I got money, decline. I just can't worry about no way.
If you want to be part of the participants, guys,
Say, do that.
there's a donation link in the description. You can use that.
My name and ball. I've been working.
And you can also write to me via Telegram. I'll guide you more. There's also a link in the description for my Telegram. Yeah, this is a trading assembly. You're always catching up good vibes. We are always catching up good vibes as we are also learning. So if you feel better, that's good. And guys, losses are part of our game. That is a fact. The key is to really manage your risk well so that you don't get wiped out, or to keep on donating your profits back to the charts. That's not how we do it on a trading assembly. That's not how we're supposed to do it.
Got the whole world asking how I does that. Hot girl, hands up, don't touch that. Look at it at the trash, you could clutch that. That's just the way you like it, huh?
But to be honest, every trader has really had their taste of the market. So if you really, I'm glad you're really sharing your experience, because that actually happens to some traders. Yeah, me actually, I've never been to that level of being worried about what to eat, but I know what it feels like when you have blown your account and you don't have the next capital and it is all just there. Sometimes even it affects your trading skill, because sometimes it's going to take you about 2 weeks, a month, even more to get another trading capital to deposit and trade. So To avoid that, you have to really be mindful of your risk that you're taking. Yeah, we're not quitting. We don't give up. As long as the markets are still here, guys, we are locked in for life. That's how we do it on this trading assembly. As long as markets are here, we are locked in for life. Because if you're not trading, what are you doing? Oh my god. Crazy sellers have invalidated our buys. I'm sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that, guys.
I'm a runner, boy. 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 I'm a runner, boy.
Guys, now that you're here, tell me how did you get your first trading capture? Yeah, I asked that last time. I was crazy. I want to know, guys, how did you get your first trading capture? Because if you think about that, that should be a reason how you should manage your risk, because sometimes it's crazy for traders, especially if you're just starting out, to get trading capital. So tell me, how did you get your first trading capital? How was it? And every time you hit my phone, you say need company. And we are locked in for our next participant.
Don't get Zelda go off. That's on the loft and went to Bergdorf. Most of these dudes is really quite soft. 45 special, this is my cloth. To drop an album, this is my fourth.
I'm for sugar and my sweaty sauce.
Freestyling, get these hoes hurt.
Fire burn.
They want them on terms, they turn on my terms, get right. This is another day. Shine, shine bright. None of them in your life. Me and the game man like them walk cool. Just like get some hot girl out the road. Me and the waist small pretty bus wine.
Guys, we're looking for one attempt, so patiently waiting for a move has never been bad for a trader. It's better than just rushing entries and getting trapped. So let's see. Let me see you type congratulations. That's how patience pays in the market, guys. We waited and we have locked in a plus. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants. Solina. Hey, Tisha Beach, that was cool. Just was God just to prove I'm really
Never really know why like me. You don't ever let me step off that roller coaster and all alone.
You wanna be
Never know who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that station. Stuck up on that station.
I know.
Sad soul.
Sad song. Guys, let me see you type more congratulations to our participant, Selena. It's moving well. It is moving well. Nature's in the building. Good to have you.
Who already blew his shot. I get along with old timers, cause my name's a reminder of a pop song people forgot. And I can't keep a girl, no. Cause as soon as the sun comes up, I cut them all loose and work's my excuse. But the truth
So we
is
move on to our next. Guys, traders, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. You're free to ask me any trading question. I know. I know. Okay. First attempt in. Wow. Okay, guys, tell me what really inspired you to join trading. Traders, tell me what really inspired you to join trading.
been around the world, I can't find my baby. Losing my patience, why you keep it waiting? Going through the phases, got me walking out the house all done up. Just in case I see your face and you decide to run up. Yeah, I'm in a different place, I need someone to hold on to. I've been sending up a prayer, hope your call gets through. Cause my
Not in
now.
What inspired you was to get your family out of the hood. Actually, the question should be, how did you find out about trading existing? And in what time period did you find out? I know most traders, they found about trading during COVID. So guys, tell me, when did you find about trading and what inspired you to lock in? Because there's a lot of stories out there about trading. But what made you lock in and want to do it? Okay. Another participant. It has moved well for us. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Maybe you should notice. Yeah, you know. Oh my god, I could never think someone would really find trading on Facebook. Oh my, when Raphael, when was that? When was that? Guys, when did you even get into trading? As we're looking in for our next. I love for you.
I've been looking for a savior. I've been looking for a savior. I've been looking for a real
I've been looking for a savior, savior. Guys, whenever I'm executing entries, I do not only base on the indicators, I back them up with my price action knowledge. Yeah, I try to get more confirmation. That's how I prefer to trade. Mark, you've sent donation. Okay, if you have sent a donation, you can send a screenshot to me via Telegram for double confirmation. Yeah, you can do that. Leo, you can ask again. I didn't get to see the question. Yeah, sometimes I'm so locked in on the chat that I don't get to see those questions. So if I don't read your comment, you can comment again.
Dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower.
Singing in the shower. Oh my god. Can someone participate in the donations every day? That entirely depends on the person. Always think to try. You're the reason why. All right, Mark, if you have sent it, that's okay. That's okay. I'll see it. Guys, let us look for our second attempt. Let us look for our second attempt. Raphael is saying you knew about trading in 2020. In 2020, I was in my parents' home enjoying COVID. And I didn't know anything about trading. That's a fact. I really got to discover about trading around 2022. I think media. And from the time I watched the first video, guys, I didn't rest until now. Because I couldn't just understand how. Because the video I watched, I was seeing guys flexing money. And I couldn't just understand how someone could have a lot of money. I just wanted to find out what they do. One thing about trading, I really love executing entries and they immediately go in my direction. So let us look for our final attempt. When did you start being? I think I became profitable, like, let me see. I think I started really seeing consistent results of profitability in 2024. Yeah. It took me some time myself because I wasn't really so consistent. Yeah, and those years there were still those crazy years of just surviving. Yeah, but once I locked in, guys, once I really locked in and I got tired of playing, and actually most of the guys I knew from like 2022, they were already seeing results, and only that also pushed me to really become a better trader because I didn't want to be left out in my circle as the trader that didn't make it. Yeah, actually that was a very strong valid reason that made me really focus on trading to a greater level to really find out that if it has to work for me, because most of my friends were really starting to see results and I couldn't take it to be the friend that failed. That's why it's always nice as a trader to also have a community around you. They're going to push you, they're going to really push you. You have to challenge yourself. Guys, let me see you type congratulations to Brisa. Let me see you type congratulations. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're doing.
Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm? 'Cause what's your mind? What's your mind?
She's a beast. I call her karma. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful, try not to lead her on. Shawty heart is on steroids cause her love is so strong. You may fall in love when you meet her. If you get the chance, you better keep her. She's sweet as pie.
It's okay. Okay, guys, let us get into our strategy. I'm seeing someone asking about it. When do you know to buy or to sell? My strategy is simple: pure price action. And with understanding pure price action, you have to first look at the market and understand the market direction you're dealing with. Are you dealing with an uptrend? Are you dealing with a downtrend? Is it a sideways market? Because that is going to really influence the entries you take. If you are in an uptrend, you can choose to take continuation trades. Those are the trades that are in line with the trend. And if you are in an uptrend, you can also take pullback trades based on market structure. Based on market structure. And my entries are refined with candlestick patterns. Actually, how would you know it's going to win? You cannot know that. You cannot know that. If you're really looking for something to do that you have 100% knowledge, then that is non-trading. With trading, you have to have a probabilistic mindset. That means that you can really execute a trade. Everything is in line with your strategy, but still it will go against you because the market is the market. Every moment in it is unique. You just have to know that you're managing your risk and you try to be disciplined and try to follow a strategy that can give you at least more wins than losses. But you're not going to get 100% certainty in trading. You can execute a buy trade and it goes against you when even it is in a uptrend and either the market has given you a continuation signal, but the market is a market. So all traders that are here, that's a fact about trading. That's why trading is risky. That is the risk that comes with trading. No one has 100% certainty. If it was like that, man, we would have more traders. Ignited, just like a passion ignited, cause you make me excited. Guys, let us type congratulations. Let us type congratulations to our participants. Guys, when you are in a trendy market, this is a pro tip now. When you are in a trendy market, please never have a mindset that it is overbought or oversold, because you never know when it's going to stop selling or to stop buying. That is how you're going to really save your capital. Don't have that mindset that the market is overbought, then I should start taking sell trades, because it's never like that. It can keep buying and buying and buying and buying, and it can also keep selling and selling and selling, even to the levels that you thought it wouldn't reach, and it reaches and goes past them. You wanna learn? Stick around. I also have videos on my channel that you can watch about trading. I am trading binary options, and we are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Say,
That's how we grind right now. Coffee with it, burn time flow. That's the way I can make the kinds I know. Me say, give me the signs like, whoa.
coffee coming in corruption.
And everybody gets captured.
And there's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using. So, corruption. Coming in corruption. Oh my god, guys, our first attempt is taken out. Damn. You know how we do it, everything. When I take an L on a first attempt, I refund and try again. In corruption. So let us lock in and get it. Trying to save me. Guys, this structure is highly bearish, so let's see how it goes. Let us see our sales close.
I wanted the fame, but not the cover of Newsweek.
All right. First attempt locked in.
For my music, wanted to be left alone. Public excuse me. I wanted my cake and eat it too. I wanted it both ways. Fame made me a balloon. Cause my ego inflated when I flew see. It was confusing. Cause all I wanted to do was be the Bruce Lee of loosely abused ink. Use it as a tool when I blew steam. Hit the lottery, ooh, weak. But with what I gave up to get was bittersweet. It's like winning and used me. I'm blind cause I think I'm getting so huge I need a shrink. I'm beginning to lose sleep. One sheep, two sheep, going cuckoo and cookie is cool key. But I'm actually weirder than you think. Cause
I'm friends with the monster that's running my head. Get along with the voices inside of my head. Trying to save me, stop holding your breath. You think I'm crazy, yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, that's not fair. Well, that's not fair.
Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Target is hit. Guys, let me see you also comment locked in. I want to know how many guys are still locked in up to now. Hassan in my bed. Hassan in my head. Stop holding your breath.
Call me crazy, but I had this vision. One day that I walk amongst you a regular civilian. But until then, drums get killed, and I'm coming straight at MC's blood gets spilled. And I take it back to the days that I get on a Dre track. Give every kid who got played that. Pump the bill and shit the same back to the kids who play. I ain't here to save the fucking children. But if one kid out of 100 million who are going.
Guys, let me see you comment locked in, and you know how we do it. You know how we do it. As long as the chats are still here, the market is still here. We are locked in for life. No room for giving up. No risk, no Ferrari. You know how we do it, and that's how it should be. That's how it should be.
Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me, stop holding your breath.
You think I'm crazy. Yeah, you think I'm crazy.
I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices.
Yeah, I love that mindset, guys. But everything is possible. That is the mindset you should have as a trader. Even on your bad trading day, you should know that you'll stand up again and get back to the charts. Actually, guys, with trading, you just need to lock in with the serious locking in for about a few months. Then you get back to whereby everything now makes sense, in that it's not so hard again. It starts being hard. You can just look at the charts and you really get a move. So let's move. Oh my god, damn. Sellers had their way there. Let us refund and try again. Touch refine and try again now.
I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I hit the road.
Already having movement in our direction. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
City's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see
Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Ooh, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. One attempt, locked in. Guys, and let me see you type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Let me see you type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. And guys, if you want to be part of them tomorrow, there's a donation link in the description. You can use that. Or you can write to me via Telegram. There's a link in the description for my Telegram for more information. For more information. Yeah. Congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Okay. Guys, tell me how are you feeling? Are you learning something? This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. We are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So be ready to mark your attendance on the trading assembly early as we get into the details of my strategy. On to the next. What's up? Natures, tell me, how was your trading day? No, good to have you. Only the voices inside of my head. Holding my breath, and you think I'm crazy. Yeah, you think I'm crazy. Oh, that's not fair. You have learned a lot. You just need to deal with the emotions. Yeah, that is really key. Okay, that's why I tell you, to be honest, me being consistently showing up in the market, it really helped me dealing with my emotions, because the emotions that we normally experience as traders is fear of missing out. So you end up chasing the market. And when you're really consistent in the market, you're going to be able to see the moves early enough. Or sometimes you can see the moves and you tell that this could be a trap and you just let the move go. Like, guys, the markets are always here. It's better to wait for a move than to chase the market, because that is the easiest way you can lose your capital. taking trades that whereby you're just chasing the market, no signal, no valid confluences you have seen, just running after it. Mark, yes, you're going to be on the list tomorrow. You'll be on the list because tomorrow I'm here, same time. So be sure you'll be there. Joshua, good to have you. Which other strategy I would recommend? Oh my God. You know, with trading, you have to pick a strategy based on your trading lifestyle and personal lifestyle. So I cannot recommend any strategy, but I can just encourage you, if you have any strategy, for you to conclude that it is not really working out, at least first try it out for about 3 months, 6 months to conclude that it's not working out. Then you switch to another, because switching between strategies, it's also not good. The platform I'm using, guys, it's Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description. If you want a trading board, there's a link in the description for Skynet trading boards. You can also join my trading channel. There's a link in the description. Good night, guys. I love you so much. Bye.